Town CyberPowerPC Gaming PC.
Here's your keyboard.
Oh damn! Play ready. CyberPower LED keyboard. Oh damn! It's LED. Why so big?
Just slide it out and stuff.
Looks big too.
So this is the back, and then this is the front.
Why so big? See? Oh. Whoa. It's really big. And where do we put this?
This one we have to throw it away now. Oh, what's this?
No, we save it for now.
That box is huge.
My one return it.
And then here's the rest of your kit. This is the mouse.
Hey, what do I hear first?
Oh, this is a remote control. What's the remote control? I don't know why there's a remote control here.
More controls for the thing.
This is the assembly for something. I don't know what this is.
$10 free gift when you share a review. $10 gift card. Free gift card.
Antennas.
This is my keyboard. Where's my mouse? It's a mouse.
Oh, this is your sticker. If you want to taste the sticker on it.
And one mouse.
It's the Core i3 sticker.
Why they separate the sticker?
Grab.
So, in a world, you don't see this kind of stuff. See?
This is the HDMI.
Let's see. Oh damn, it's magnetic. Why is it here?
This is for the ventilation.
Oh, then you can clean it or what?
Yeah. No, this is to cool down the PC.
Then why do you put the metal there?
Oh, this is actually very nice design.
Then why do you need it?
Because like this is when the fan blows.
Then you could take this out. Then why is this in here? What's
No,
this
no, it's like this goes through it. Yeah, this is a mesh material. It goes through.
So you can take out to clean it.
It's good.
Okay, no facing this way, right?
Yeah, let me get something. Just before using the computer, you have to get.
What's that?
This is the.
There's no scratches or anything.
It's a good material.
Why do you take it off?
Because. Yeah, let's see how this works.
Wait, you need to take that case off.
Because there's this thing that you don't want the computer to be running while there's this thing. Oh, this thing is just to keep the inside parts safe when shipping. Because you don't want it to be moving around. This is the video card. I mean the graphic board. This is the RAM stick. Oh, yeah, hold on. Let me see.
Ready?
Oh, where's my phone? Oh, where's the flash? Oh, that's a RAM. In the future, if you want to need to upgrade it, might as well.
I don't want to upgrade. I like, because what happens when you mess it up?
No, you don't mess it up. Man. Yeah, this is upgradable. So this is 8 gigabytes of RAM. There's actually another slot here. You can upgrade.
What's the video? Look, 30-second video more likely to public.
Oh, this was too fast. Okay, putting this back in.
Oh. Ow. Ow. slide it in. Oh. Okay.
Wow, this is a glass keychain.
What's the glass too, no?
Now it's a see-through plastic.
Oh dear. Why am I so cool like that?
Use this one, you can use one.
No. I don't want to. You bought it for me. Mine. Oh. Wait, I think I need an HDMI cable.
There is some inside your monitor.
Really?
It comes with it.
Wow, that's really cool. Oh, antenna. It's an antenna. Power cable and the mouse. Get me? No. What's up though? Oh, what's this rolling thing? Scroll up and down like that? Look.
What the heck is that?
Tell me, oh, feels nice, eh? What's that?
So basically, there's two graphics cards in this computer. You want to use the high-end graphics card, which is this one, and then this is the standard graphics card. Okay. So basically,
Good. The fan, motherboard, graphic card, 3 fan, and 1 more fan here. Gonna be LED lights. Woo. Okay, ready to go now. Now into that 2 slot there. It goes up. Well, just install it and then just to the direction you want. Yeah, press it up like. Yeah.
okay, let me teach you how to do this, Qina. This one. Here, this is your monitor. This can be standing like this.
Oh, that's easy, is it?
No, and then you have to make sure the bottom of the back is easy. Okay,
This monitor is $89. Good.
Okay. Once it's tight, once it's tight, then you
Inches.
put it down.
Oh, like that.
And then you have to put your monitor.
Yo.
So basically there's the V2. Oh my goodness. Do I? Oh yeah.
Just plug it in.
Okay, I'm gonna place this on the bed. Because I think, let's see, because there's 2 screws here. And lock it.
Oh god. I don't know.
Make sure you don't tighten them too much. Okay, and then that's
Ready to go. Oh damn.
And then you can place your monitor over here.
Looks fun already.
And then these are the cables that come with it. This is the
was thinking if you move here, but we connect your wires to the keyboard and the mouse, and then connect the wire for the
This is the power source. This one I put here. And then this one, are you ready?
Yeah. Ding. Ding, ding, ding. What else is there? Oh, there's a remote control, on and off. It's like a gift card. Free gaming mouse pad when you register. Look, I got a mouse pad. CyberPowerPC Gaming. What's this thing? We need to put a sticker on it. It's a gigabyte. Oh, that one's a broken top. Oh, graphic drive. I did something like that. Quick guide. Graphic card, quick guide. Quick guide. Processor, Intel processor. That is something fast read.
Okay, are you ready?
Quick start guide. Read this first. Are we ready? Power on your system. Look, you could over there. Power thing. Hey, what is that? Switch, huh?
That's the switch that behind the computer.
You turn it on yet?
But I didn't turn it on. How is this powering on now?
It's on now. Oh, la la. Wait, okay, okay. That's how it looks. So cool, is it? Oh, damn, 3 fans. Cool down the system. When you play. Oh no, now I gotta set it up because I don't want you to set it up because you might mess it up. Like that, like yours.
Hey, tweaking later.
Go to www.cyber. Oh no, I had to do this after I set up. What's this thing on and off? I'm gonna play that later. Later. Oh yeah, first things first. United States, yes. Shoot. US. Yes. To add a second keyboard layout, skip. Just connect to a network. Oh, my Wi-Fi. Oh no, I didn't new device so.
Huh?
My Wi-Fi password. Let's see.
We just don't.
Why not?
It's against the law.
Why didn't you do that to me? I might do it myself. Usually when I get the
No,
stuff,
because even if I get it, like I never set it up. It's not required.